Hello creatives! In this video, I'll share with you how to create passive income with no money. You'll get to know about the 10 smartest passive income ideas that only require your time and effort. When it comes to personal finance, passive income is the Holy Grail. Earnestly, what could be better than the chance to make money while sleeping? Yes, there has to be some investment at the very beginning, but that's about it. Passive income is income from a source that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. You are not actively involved in the generation of that income. Investment-wise, you can put in money or time. My video will focus on the latter. So, yes, you can earn a passive income with no money. All you have to put in is time. But still, you don't have to invest all of your time. You can continue with your 9-to-5 paycheck job and still earn passive income. Moreover, the ideas I'll share give you the freedom to work from home. You can take on work from the comfort of your couch. Watch out for the idea at number 10. It's unbelievable to learn that people can make passive income that easy. But before then, if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel and continue receiving great videos like this one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get informed every time I publish a life-changing video. Let's start. Number 1. Start a blog. Warren Buffett once advised, if you do not find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. I can't find a better idea to help you make money while you sleep than running a blog, a content website. With a blog, you can make money through affiliate marketing, where you get commissions from sales of products you recommend. You can also earn passive income through paid ads, mainly Google AdSense, Mediavine, Ezoic, and other ad programs, and even sell products directly to your readership. You could also sell informational products like courses and ebooks on your blog. Starting a blog is not expensive. For example, Bluehost requires you to start with $35, which covers the hosting for a year. Mind you, the domain registration is free once you pay for the hosting. If you want to start a profitable blog, I'll leave a step-by-step guide in the description below to help you start a blogging business that will give you at least $1,000 a month. The takeaway: boost your prospects of making money as a blogger by launching an affordable blog with Bluehost today. Number 2. Launch a YouTube channel. I agree with Robert Kiyosaki when he says, financial independence is all about having more choices. Nothing stops you from launching a YouTube channel even if you already have a blog running. On the contrary, you can draw traffic from YouTube to your blog and vice versa. A YouTube channel is a video equivalent of a professional blog. So, you can share what you have in your blog on YouTube and vice versa to boost your earnings. Given that Google owns YouTube, you can monetize your channel with Google AdSense. In that case, you get to earn per view. On average, you can earn $3 to $20 per 1,000 views depending on your niche. You can also earn from promoting affiliate products or selling informational products like courses, guides, and ebooks through your channel. The takeaway: take advantage of YouTube's multiple monetization avenues to start making money on the platform. Number 3. Create an ebook on Amazon. According to Todd M. Fleming, the greater the passive income you can build, the freer you'll become. You can make greater passive income and become freer by creating an ebook and selling it on Amazon. An ebook is simply an electronic book. It's like a real book, only you can download it. That means you can write about your travels, cooking, photography, personal finance, or anything else. Apple has an ebook self-publishing program called Kindle Direct Publishing that allows you to create your ebook for free. Even better, you sell your ebook on Amazon Kindle stores and get to keep up to 70% of the royalties. Tell me, what could be freer than that? Given that Amazon Kindle stores enjoy a massive audience, it's easier for your electronic book to sell on the platforms than anywhere else. Interestingly, it takes up to 2 days from publishing for your ebook to be available on Amazon Kindle stores. The takeaway: research carefully about the content you want to create and make an ebook that your target market will find irresistible to read. Number 4. Create an online course. An online course is another informational product that you can create to sell to earn passive income. As an ebook, an online course continues to sell long after producing it. 3 of the best platforms for creating and selling online courses are Skillshare, Teachable, and Udemy. Yes, there are charges, but you'll only incur them once you start making money. You can also sell your online course through your blog or YouTube channel to generate passive income. If the content is excellent, then you'll sell. Generally, there are no limits to your possible earnings. You can make as much as you want, provided your target market likes your lessons. The takeaway: create many courses and use multiple channels to promote them. Number 5. Sell stock images. The late American poet Maya Angelou once advised, "Never stand begging for that which you have the power to earn." So, why beg for money when you can earn some through photography? Mind you, you get to earn it passively, and that's the beauty of it. That's because multiple buyers can buy one stock photo. The majority of buyers are bloggers, magazine publishers, and marketers. Are you wondering where you can earn decently as a stock photographer? Consider uploading your images on LME to keep up to 30% of the sales. You can also try Shutterstock to enjoy up to 33% royalties, or iStock Photo to pocket up to 45% of sales. The more stock sites you join, the higher the chance of making passive income. People like searching images of nature, people working, equipment, animals, cars, and cities, so try shooting those. The takeaway: upload high-quality images and make them as unique as possible. Number 6. Sell class notes. If you are in college or you recently graduated, this tip is for you. You no longer have to destroy your classroom notes or give them out for free. They are money in waiting, and so it's time you seize the passive income opportunity. A platform like Study Soup allows you to upload your notes to sell them to students who may need them. You can also sell study guides there, making it an excellent choice for course instructors and tutors. You need to sign up for an account, upload your notes, and set the price. You can earn up to 50% commission on Study Soup. Other noteworthy places to sell your notes and earn passive income include DocMerit and Oxbridge Notes, where you can receive 85% and 72% commissions respectively. The takeaway: upload high-quality, easy-to-understand class notes to improve your chance of selling. Number 7. Sell digital ads. Digital ads also go by the name printables. They are generally a fantastic way to exchange your creativity for cash. If you are a graphic designer or if you're naturally creative, give this idea a shot. You need to create digital prints and sell them online. Some of the best places to sell your digital prints and designs include Creative Market, Society6, and Zazzle. Creative Market, for example, allows you to set your price and receive up to 70% of sales. Society6 and Zazzle also allow you to make a sizable commission. The takeaway: distribute your art designs on as many platforms as possible to improve your chances of making income. Number 8. Rent your space on Airbnb. Today, the space sharing concept isn't new to most people, but still, very few people can claim that they are making money from it. How about you let that extra room in your house make you money? It could also be a cabin in the countryside or a vacation apartment on the coast. Whatever it is, that's passive income lying there, and it's about time you leverage it. Consider listing the space on Airbnb and get to make up to $50 a night or more. You get to set the price and rental terms, which is great. The secret is to rent it out to long-term tenants so that you can enjoy steady passive income. The takeaway: look for long-term guests to accommodate in your home through Airbnb. Number 9. Advertise on your car. You probably have seen private cars around town covered with ads. Well, those car owners aren't crazy for letting their cars be mobile billboards. On the contrary, they are doing paid advertisements and it earns them passive income. So if you have a car and are okay with it having stickers all over, sign up for car wrapping. You can join Wrapify, Carvertise, or Sticker Ride. Wrapify, for example, lets you make up to $452 a month, depending on your miles, while Carvertise lets you earn up to $300 over the 3-month campaign. The best part about car advertisements is that you get to drive wherever you want and still get paid until your contract expires. The takeaway: find a car ad wrapping company that pays you the most and has lenient terms of work. Number 10. Install an app. Call it crazy, call it smart, but you can make passive income from installing a mobile app. You don't have to do anything exceptional other than use your device, usually. That's the case with the Nielsen app. Nielsen, a leading research company, pays you $50 to install its mobile app and keep it for a year. Mind you, you can install the app on multiple devices, which translates to more passive income. The app runs in your background and it helps Nielsen in their research. The other app you can download and earn passive income is Mobile Expression. Unlike the Nielsen app, you only need to retain Mobile Expression for 90 days to get paid. However, you only need to keep it for a week to receive a $5 Amazon gift voucher as a welcome gift. In conclusion, you can start creating passive income with no money. It just takes smart ideas like the ones I have shared to do it. So, go ahead and make a pick and wait to realize financial freedom. I know that this video was exciting and you loved it. Also check out this